Come with us to the Korean Culture Center.
Flowers everywhere. Dears.
Oh, look! Wow. So right when you walk in, you can sit on this bench and just take in these visual effects, and it completely transports you out of New York City. Amazing. Beautiful. So it's awesome. There's a place you can sit, like a lovely lady that she is. You can sit and enjoy the sights, take a little break, and just take in these views. And I love it. There's plenty of room for wheelchairs, walkers, strollers, you name it. And then we're gonna go over here. There is a wall that we can make art and add to the wall. Let's go check it out. You're gonna make your own artwork. Okay, start with English. Create your own. Okay, write things that you love to talk about. Please write a short phrase to share your wisdom or your experiences. I enjoy discovering different cultures. Isn't that the truth? You're gonna enter your name. Okay. Oh, translate to Korean. Oh, there's how your name looks in Korean. And that's the sentence. I enjoy discovering different cultures. That's so cool. Please choose colors for each consonant and vowel from the palette, or click auto coloring for a random color combination. Oh, okay, there's yours. This is that's the way it turned out. Do you want to send it to the wall? When you press confirm, your completed work will be sent to the media wall. Your artwork has been sent to the wall in front of you.
Look. That's mine.
There it is. That's so cool. That's the one you made. It looks like there's different cultures on there. That's so fun. Here's what I did. I love, what does it say here?
I love exploring the city with my girl.
Okay.
That would be me.
Yes. Okay,
That's her name.
There's how my name looks. Awesome.
look.
Okay. There's my sentence. I love exploring the city. Okay.
It's supposed to say, with my girl.
Why doesn't it say submit? Step 4, download. Okay, next. Okay.
Autocoloring?
Yeah, it's easiest. Oh, look how mine turned out. Okay.
Send
Let me
to
send
media
it.
wall.
Yes. Okay. Let's confirm. Let's see if it's up there. Wow. is so awesome.
This is so cool.
It really is. Oh my gosh, look what's going on the wall over there now. We've only been in the front downstairs for the last 10 minutes and we love it. Oh, Laura, look what's coming across.
Sparkles.
Wow. So we just took the elevator up to the 4th floor, which is the kitchen and lounge. And the elevators are nice and big, very accessible. And then what is up here on the 4th floor?
Kimonos.
And what do we get to do with those?
We get to put them on.
Oh my gosh, all right, let's choose. Oh my gosh, they even have little kids versions. Oh my gosh, my heart cannot take it. This is so awesome.
I'm so happy I have to use the bathroom.
Oh my Lord, okay, well, look, I think there's a bathroom right down the, well, there's a bathroom right down the hallway there. So what, we get to put them on and pretend like we're having a ceremony? Ooh, and look, and now we can learn all about the culture.
Look, this is Dapte.
What?
Dapte.
How do you say that?
Dapte.
Oh, glad you know, because I don't.
This is Shikachidamon.
Oh my gosh, how do you know that?
Pinterest and TikTok.
Pinterest and TikToks, okay. Do you know what any of this other stuff is? Make your own lunchbox. Oh my gosh.
Really?
Yes,
Where?
that's what it says. That's what it says. So maybe we
It's
can,
fun hat.
let's see how those work.
Fun hat.
Okay, so what are you gonna choose for your, now is that a bento box?
It's called a bento.
Okay, so what are you gonna choose for your bento box?
Dapte.
Uh-huh.
Kimchi. Gyoza.
I can't believe you know all of what this is.
And I think I'm gonna do, oops, hold up. Mochi.
Mochi, okay, that's about right, yes. Nice dessert. So cool.
And look what you do. This is bozagi.
Oh.
What they do, you take your bento,
Yes.
and what you do, you put it in a cloth.
Okay.
You wrap it, and then you tie it on the top.
All right, yes, it looks like you make a lunch knot or a leaf knot. Oh, it's gonna show you how to do it.
With bozagi and diamond shape.
So like if you had a scarf,
Yes.
I'm recording this so you can be able to maybe do this at home.
I actually moved into a new apartment, so I'm gonna do
Yes, yes, we can try. I can get you some of these cloths. And you know what? You have to bring your lunch next week to the camp.
this. I have to find a Korean grocery store to make my food
Yes,
though.
yes. Well, there you go. Look at that. So cool. I'll have to look on our schedule. Okay, choose your, what did it say? Korean Food Championship. Okay, you're gonna be competing round, match 1. Okay.
Dun or Hamilton.
Which one do you want?
Oh God. Hamilton. Yuko. Jimdak.
Maybe you're gonna have to remember the names? I
Kimchi
don't know.
Bokkeumbap.
Oh my Lord.
Najakatagi.
You're doing so good with the pronunciations.
Bibimbap. I love bibimbap. Bibimbap.
I didn't know there was such a thing as a Korean hot dog.
Bachakuminchi. Okay.
Ooh, quarterfinal. Okay.
Oh God. Yuko. Kimchi Bokkeumbap. Bibimbap. I love bibimbap. I've never had it.
Oh. Okay, that's your winner.
It's rice with like veggies,
Yes,
an egg in the middle, some furikake
yes.
is like a seasoning.
Uh-huh.
But it's rice topped with sauteed beef and a variety of colorful veggies. Mixed at the table with spicy gochujang sauce and sesame oil.
Okay, now that sounds good. Only thing you don't like spicy, so you could just do the sesame oil, not do the spicy.
I want to try gochujang.
Well, that's true, but in my experience, you with hot stuff, it doesn't work out too well. This is amazing. Let's see, it's gonna tell you. Oh my gosh, it tells you how to make.
Oh my god.
Look, yes, each item. Oh my Lord, this is a dream come true for you.
I like pickled.
Tells you step by step. You know what I love? It's
You
very,
have to blanch it.
but I love how easy it is to read.
And look.
Very nice, accessible font. And the touch screen makes it easy. So here we go. After we get on our kimonos, we have to take off our shoes, and then we get to go sit and act like we're having a traditional Korean moment. Just want to show you guys that the kimonos are accessible for someone in a wheelchair. So you would just wrap this over their arms. So that makes it easy too. Okay, so here Laura goes. Turn around, let me see how pretty. Oh, I love it. Oh. Oh. Memoir, what is it? Memoir of a Geisha is what that book was called? Do your little pose with the hands again? Oh, yes. Okay. We love it. See, we don't have to fly all the way over there. We can just come here.
Which is the best.
This is so awesome. Okay, so we're like literally the only ones here, which makes it even more awesome. And then let me show you how nice the accessible bathroom. This is all on the 4th floor. And look how nice the accessible bathroom is. Nice and big. Look how nice and roomy the elevators are. Okay, so now we are on floor 3 where the library is, which is also open to the public. I love that they have a water fountain and a place you could fill your water bottle, and bathrooms again, which are also accessible. It's looking like to me, my goodness, do we have accessible bathrooms on every floor here? So it's great, you can sit and stay a while and look at the books. It's so nice and peaceful. They actually have books in English and books in Korean. So I asked the lady if they had any books about disability in Korean, and they do. They have the Transition Education and Services for Adolescents with Disabilities. So cool. And then this one is Disability Education, she said. And then this one is Exceptional Psychology of Exceptional Children. Okay, so I was just talking to her, and you can actually get a membership card here and check out books. So you can check out new books for 2 weeks and older books for 4 weeks. The only requirement is you must live in New York, New Jersey, or Connecticut. This library has also been a winner of the Red Dot Design Award of 2025 for its outstanding design. And it really does have a open, calm, accessible feel in here. Look at that, there's even a place to park the strollers in the library. We hope you enjoyed this visit to the
Korean Cultural Center.
that's located at East 32nd Street in Lexington in Manhattan. And we hope you'll stick with us for more adventures.
Bye.
Bye.